While driving through the city of Albuquerque, you may recognize signals that look like this. The HAWK signal stands for High Intensity Activated Crosswalk. The HAWK signal helps make crossing busy streets more efficient for pedestrians and bicyclists. The pedestrian and driver can expect, when they come up to the HAWK signal, a very similar setup to a normal traffic signal. When not in use, the signal for vehicles is dark, and a solid "Do Not Walk" raised hand is displayed at the crosswalk. When the push button is pressed, the light will flash yellow for several seconds, alerting drivers that a pedestrian or bicyclist is about to cross. Next, it will display a solid yellow to give motorists enough time to stop prior to the crosswalk. After the solid yellow, the signal for vehicles will turn solid red. Pedestrians or bicyclists will be given a walk signal. After the walk time expires, the vehicle signal will flash red in an alerting pattern while the pedestrians or bicyclists continue across the street with a flashing "Don't Walk" signal. When the vehicle signal is flashing red, motorists may proceed after stopping if the pedestrians or bicyclists have crossed their half of the street. After time has passed for pedestrians or bicyclists to complete their crossing, the vehicle signal will go dark once again. The pedestrian signal will revert to the solid raised hand symbol until the pedestrian push button is pressed again. The HAWK signal is another example of how the city of Albuquerque is improving pedestrian accessibility.